Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know what? It's coming into garden season and I like leeks. But I thought, what's a good recipe to do with leeks? And then it came to my big brain. What about stuffed leeks? If you took some ground pork, made a mixture, opened the leeks up, and then put the mixture into the leeks, it would be super good. Bit of Parmesan over the top. Tried it, came out absolutely wonderful. So thought I'd share it with you. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to begin by grabbing up about 3 leeks, and these are fairly large leeks, so I'm going to cut them just where the green starts. Not like that, and I'm going to try and get about 5 out of these. So we got them something like this. Now, here's the tricky part. I'm going to grab one of these guys up, and I am going to push everything forward, something like this, so we kind of get a cone out of it, if you know what I mean. If you don't want to go beyond and have the thing fall out. So this is perfect, just like that. And the reason we're doing that is because we've got this area right in here, which is perfect for our stuffing. Isn't that kind of cool? Check that out. This is kind of cool. I just can't get over this. I mean, isn't it? Just look at that. But you can do any kind of filling you want in this. I can do a ground pork filling, but I mean, you could do a fish filling, whatever it might be. So we're going to get started at the filling now. So obviously here, because we're using different parts of the leek, I mean, you know, you're going to get different shapes and sizes, but we still certainly have enough for filling to go in there, so I think they're going to be pretty cool. And once again, this video has been brought to you by the good folks over at Magicos, and we are using the FP408 again to make our filling. I just love this unit. So we'll just crack the top open here, and I'm going to throw in about 1/4 of a red bell pepper, and we're using the chopping blade here. And about 1/4 of a large red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, gotta have my garlic, and some parsley fresh from the garden. Now once again, on we go with the top, and I gotta set this to about the speed of 2 or 3. Now we're gonna food process this up just for a couple of minutes. And this is a pretty good texture, right about like this right now, guys. Looking good, and the smell is just absolutely incredible.
Next up, my friends, we're going to go in with about 1/4 pound of ground pork.
Just kind of spread this around a little bit here. Can't believe the price of ground pork now. And we'll season things up with a bit of salt. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon, something like that, not too much. Some ground black pepper. I'm going to go a little heavy on this, as I always do, because I just love my pepper. Some oregano or oregano, again about the same amount here, 1/2 teaspoon or so. Some thyme, another 1/2 teaspoon of cilantro.
Then we're going in with about 1 tablespoon of good old olive oil. And you know what, just for the fun of it, I'm going to throw in, just for some heat, about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper flakes.
Now of course guys, you can add the seasoning of your choice, it's entirely up to you, but this is what I like. And once again, we'll set the speed to about 3, and to processing we will go. And once again, guys, this processor does an absolutely phenomenal job. And we're pretty much processed up here, ready to go into the leeks. And I'll put all the information on the Magicos in the description section below. Now, guys, we will grab up one of our cool little cylinders. I still think these are neat. Scoop up a bit of that mixture, and in we go. And I'm going to get this nice and packed tight, so just kind of push it down, scoop it off. You know, you kind of get the picture here. Oops. Something like that. And we're just going to set this aside in a baking dish. This actually could be a full-time profession, guys. Filling leeks. What are you? I'm a professional leek filler. Okay, guys, we're all rigged up now in our baking tray, but before we bake, I'm going to make up a little sauce to go over the top. So we'll start with 1/4 cup of good old olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a tad, and some good old ground black pepper. I mean, you can add extra to this, but this is fine for me. You have everything to stir up here. And we're going to pour this over top of our Leek Rolls. I think this is going to be good. I don't know about you. Drop a comment, let me know. And you know what? I think I am going to go over the top with a little sprinkle of Parmigiano. And if you can think of anything else, by all means, leave a comment, let me know. This is going to be good. Now we are going into a 400-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes until those leeks become soft and that meat is cooked. After 20 minutes, guys, they is done and they smell absolutely incredible. And I think they look darn good. Okay, let's go ahead and throw these guys onto a plate. Incredible, I think anyway. And of course, we'll drizzle some of that olive oil over the top. Oh, wowzers. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly delicious stuffed leek rolls. You are gonna love these. All right, guys, let's grab one of these up. I'm not gonna eat them as is, but just look at this. I think they is gonna be so good. That pork stuffing in the middle, that onion, that bit of Parmesan over the top. Ooh, oh, wow. All right, let's give them a try here. That is really good. Just what I anticipated. The leeks are nicely done, filled with that pork mixture. It's absolutely incredible. You just gotta make these. And if you do, drop us a line and let us know. I'd love to read your comments. And most of all, give us a like. It does help the channel out and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. See you next time, and I'm gonna have some more stuffed leeks. So great.